have a review where we are going to be showing you around our camper. And so, first we are going to start with Mom and Dad's rooms. Come on. Okay, so this is Mom and Dad's room. So there's like some closets where you can put your hangers and some closets where you can put your like boxes. And they all have mirrors. There's a little light here that turns on this side and this side. And so I'm going to turn that off. Right there is a TV which is plugged into that wall, into the wall, hanging jackets or, you know. And okay, come on into the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom is really good, and it has this rack thingy for towels or, you know, brushes. And there's a little cabinet which has 3 toilet paper rolls. And down there's one more. And there's some white stuff down in there. And this is the sink, which has a mirror that can open up. This is the shower. And there's there's things up there, shelves up there. And the sprayer comes down. And there's a little light up there, but it's actually supposed to attach to that. So come on down into the living room now. So this is the living room, and there's a little cabinet where we keep our food and stuff. It has these cool blinds, which you can just pull down, I think. And there's a exit thing on both sides of here, so you can just jump out. And back here, there's a control switches and, you know, light stuff. These are some pretty tall chairs. And hi. Okay, and you can sit on one and play chess because there's chess up there. There's a little plug-in thingy. Like this is the kitchen. Look, so that's where we keep our pots and there's this. It's a pretty nice pot, which I didn't even know we had. And so these are switchy thingies and awesome. There's a cabinet back there, like you can put your stuff in. And this is a door with a. So this is the refrigerator, and it has this, which you can easily pull out. So, I can't reach up. And that's the top thingy. Has that cuppy right there. And those thingies. Yeah, there's a TV up there. And there's a good sized microwave up there. This is the coffee machine, which is actually really good. This holds our plates and knives and forks and everything. For meals. There's a skywatch thingy. So this is a pretty nice sink. This is to drain your stuff, I think. And there is a light up there too, and a rack, which is awesome. And there's 2 thingies up there, and 2 up there, over there. I mean, it's a magic trick. Wow, 300 plates. Wow. And come on to the other side. There's another one. And another magic trick. Zoom! There's a place where you can keep your clothes and stuff. And there's another 2 more skylights. There's cupboards which are full of stuff. So there's a bedroom up there. And so there is some cupboards back here, and there is a window like the skywatch. So this is the kids' bedroom, which there's a washer and yeah, that is awesome. I think they're starting to fall apart. Yeah, they're starting to fall apart. Up here, there's the sleeping bags. It's another magic trick. Hey, what is it? I can't do this. Okay, and that is awesome. I'm gonna sit on it. This. Okay. That's not electrical, but the other one is, so Mom has to open the other one.
This one?
Okay, so this is the electrical one. Has some 2 batteries and something full of oil. Okay, and we're going around to the front. Is false hoses and stuff, and there's some wires back there. A lot of them, actually. So that's a dinner. Well, okay, and that one has our camping stuff. Oh, that looks so cool!
Come on. Lean into my hand. You will not fall. Come on.
Yes, I will.
Lean into my hand. You're just going to stay up there all day or you're going to trust me?
Put the shadow down. This is a pretty nice stove. And it's black.
Okay, leave it. It's probably yuck. Let's put that in the trash. Oh, it's really hard. I wonder why.
Holy moly!